On this episode of Southhaw Computing, we'll be installing an aftermarket head unit on a Kia Sedona 2011 model, and that's coming up next.
Warning: the following video is performed by a trained professional. It is meant for educational purposes only. Please do not attempt to try anything you see here. Enjoy.
Hey YouTube, Dan from Southhaw Computing here today, and we're going to put in a aftermarket head unit. This one here happens to be an older AVIC X710-BT model that we're going to put in our 2011 Kia Sedona. We got two parts here that we needed to get online. This one here was the wiring harness, so we don't cut up the actual wires in the dashboard there, but it was the 70-7303, as well as a Kia vehicle adapter for your antenna. This was model number 40-KI11. So we're going to do a little time lapse here while we wire up the harness, and then we'll go into the vehicle. So let's get to it. Okay, so there you have it. It's a very quick install. Obviously, we need to get some sort of Metro kit to fill in the gap here, but wanted to see if it was in fact possible to install an aftermarket unit in this vehicle, and it looks like we got it. The only issue that I had was at the beginning of the video, as you saw during the time lapse, couldn't figure out how to get this front bezel off. Well, turns out you have to get these two corners out, pull out, and basically get the top corners as well, and then get it out from the top there. As always, folks, if you like what you see here, comment down below, leave a big thumbs up for the video, subscribe to the channel, check out our forum, it would be greatly appreciated. This is Dan from Southhaw Computing, and as always, until the next time.